How to hide or unhide group chats on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide or unhide group chats on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the DM icon which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the DM section, what you can do is simply scroll down and find the group chat that you want to hide. And now here, once you've seen the group chat, just tap on it to open the group chat. And here, once you're inside the group chat, just tap on the group chat name which can be seen at the top. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the right side of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu, you can just tap on hide, and after that you just have to confirm it by tapping on hide chat. And now here, once you do that, the group chat is completely hidden on the Instagram. So here, with that being said, if you want to unhide the group chat, what you can do is just go to the DM section, and now here you'll see the request option just beside the messages. So here you can just tap on it, and now here, once you are in this section, you can just tap on hidden request, and here you'll see the chat that you have hidden. So here, to unhide the hidden chat, what you can do is just tap on that particular chat, and now here inside you'll see the option labeled as unhide at the bottom. So there, just tap on it, and once you do that, your group chat will be unhidden on Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.